So what we have here today is one of these Zeniths, AM/FM radio. It looks like it's crooked. We got the FM capacitive antenna. I found the model number on this, but I forgot exactly what it was. So we're gonna plug this in and see what it does. Let me make sure it's off first. Oh, here we go.
I know you come to me for solutions.
Let me get an antenna.
Jessica, this is one.
So I just had rolls and rolls of this blue striped wire. Come on, bastard. It doesn't like this really thin gauge stuff. Oh, that's good enough. So even with an antenna, this is the best we can get. The volume wide open.
You know, we forget things pretty quickly, and this was...
So, definitely needs work. So basically what I did to this thing, it's already been pretty much recapped, was added a, this thing's unplugged, and it hasn't plugged in yet, is I added a diode to it. It's already a power resistor. I'm going to test the B+. I'm sure it'll be fine. So let me put a 4007 diode in it. I wired the broken antenna leads back in, and I put Zenith tubes in it since I had some, and we're gonna power it up and see what happens. So I'm hoping that we'll get some better results. I'm wondering if I should lube this up, because this seems a little stiff. Just maybe on that rod there. Not on the, just on that rod. Just on that rod right there. So we're gonna plug it in and turn it on. See what happens. So I don't know what these bands are probably some kind of insulation or something. They're not staying, they were broken off, and I glued them back on. Piece of stripped wire insulator here. So it's interesting, it's got this little tweeter and this elliptical speaker. So these radios are pretty popular. So it'll be pretty interesting if we can get this all nicely fixed.
Gigabytes mobile response. HD all on the network. For free, but online.
Two clean songs.
Plan.
Congress
It's from Hack.
Until I saw you city lights.
Simple guide. Choices of companies that would be good.
He didn't give me no eye contact, so I knew.
No.
Breathe. No. Never do it.
iHeartRadio.
Hundreds of beers.
You my roof look like a no-show. Doesn't matter where you.
Man, yes. Hey.
You don't get many stations here.
Brady Shoreline loading up.
Right? Not at Hyundai. Our new travel insurance program offers 3 reward-free exchanges on all.
Sure, if I play with the antenna, it would sound better. Put some old English on the cabinet. Sorry, I'm gonna get copyright strike. I put some old English on the cabinet. It probably looks better than it really does. But overall, I found some screws for the back piston screws. Those are the only screws I had 5 of that I could pull out easily. I have tons of screws. I just getting to them would be a little weird. I have to keep. I'm gonna replace the power cord. You have to keep that as some kind of capacitive thing for the FM antenna.
And we're giving away new rope.
But yeah, there it is.